In this video, I will guide you how you can add image swatches in your Shopify. So first of all, what you need to do is to make sure to have a backup copy of your Dawn theme or whatever theme you are using right now. And then you just need to click on edit code. Now this will take you to your code editor where you can add the image swatches code. So the first thing that you need to do is to click the links in the description below and make sure to open all of them side by side because we just need to replace and just add a new snippet. So first of all, simply copy the name of the file and paste it in the filter files. This is going to be in the config. So simply click on it and then click Ctrl A and simply erase the code. Now I need to go back and press Ctrl A just like this and simply copy and paste the code. So after replacing the code, you just need to click on save on the top right corner. And the next step is you need to add product variant picker dot liquid. You just need to copy and simply paste it, and this is going to be in the snippet. So click on it and again remove all the code here, and then you just need to go back and press Ctrl A, simply copy and paste it just like so. Click on save on the top right corner. At the end, we just need to click on add new snippet, and then you need to name it color option. So name it just like this and click on done button. After creating it, you just need to go back to your Google Docs and simply copy all the code and paste it just like this. Click on save on the top right corner. Now once you are done, you just need to click on the three dots and click on the customize theme. Now what you need to do is to simply click on the catalog and select your particular product in which you have added the color swatches or have the different variants. Now what you need to do is to simply click on the settings and click on color swatches by digital guidance, and then you just need to scroll down until you see this variant image. Simply toggle this on and you just need to wait for few seconds, and there you have it. I have successfully changed the images and added my color image swatches into my product page. If I click on it, this is how it will gonna look like. Again, you can change these images in your product customization. So that's how you can add image swatches into your Shopify store.